Hi, today I would like to explain the basic use of the wonderful microscope ZUMAX OMS2050. You see the breaks here. Normally you should set 2 breaks to use the microscopes. You have 3 main axes. You should tighten them a little bit, but not too much. This is the third one here, which will control the head of the microscope and the new patented arm of the microscope head, and you can rotate it easily if you don't tighten too much. Then you have the dioptrine correction, which normally you put on 0 for most users. Always the same on left and right binocular, of course. Then the eye cups, you put it on 2 to 3 rings if you work without glasses. If you work with glasses, the glasses will create the distance already, and then you can put it in all the way with glasses. Then, next point is the pupillary distance, which of course is different for every dentist. And you just set it up here. I'll put down the light a little bit because it's almost too strong. It's blinding me a little bit. It's pretty strong. Then you have the first break here, which will break this horizontal axis here. Just switch it on, close it a little bit. Here's a second break for the pendulum movement. Also close it just a little bit, not too much. It's a little bit individual. Then you have the focus distance, which here you can see it's incredible. It goes from 200 to 460 millimeters. So you have a lot of space, for example, for surgery, if you need a higher distance from the patient. This is all zoom optics. And here also is zoom optic for the magnification. Very, very easy to use. You have don't have clicks, no clicks here. Just rotate it. Then you have the different light spots. I'll increase the light a little bit for the demo here. So that's the full light spot. You have the mini light spot for endo, for example, medium, a little bit larger. Then you have the orange filter for composite. And here's the green one for diagnostics of soft tissue. Then you have a beam splitter, which is already integrated, so you can attach a camera adapter easily. And the camera, you have the HDMI cable here, which will go through the arm of the microscope all the way to the end, so you don't have so many cables, and you can attach your screen. This screw is just a little bit safety, so if you put it in a little bit more, the arm will go less down. You have to check this at the dental unit with a patient or with an assistant to see how you want to put the lowest position of the microscope. I think we've seen the most important points, how to use a microscope. If you have any questions, just contact us at FTC. Enjoy the microscope.